How to make a small room look more spacious. In brief, a limited color palette of the wall decor, multifunctional furniture, and moderate use of accessories will help to make the room look larger. Watch the video for details. If you decide to implement ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. Even a very small room will look larger if you use these simple design techniques. Tip 1. Think over the color palette. It is believed that the light wall decor visually expands the room. That's right. However, dark colors aren't inferior in coping with this task, but subject to walls being painted or covered with monochrome wallpaper. In this case, you shouldn't highlight any separate elements with contrasting color, since the main task is to visually blur the room boundaries, but not to emphasize them. Wallpaper will help to visually correct the room geometry. If you want the ceiling to look higher, cover the walls with wallpaper with vertical stripes. If you need to make the room look longer, use wallpaper with horizontal stripes to decorate it. Tip 2. Choose the right furniture. Strangely enough, but it's recommended to choose bulky furniture for a small room. In this case, a large, ceiling-high wardrobe will look better than a pair of dresses. Besides, it will be more efficient for solving the owner's problems of storing things in the small room. You should also consider multifunctional furniture. Decide on a model with a sliding table instead of a traditional coffee table. Prefer a folding armchair with a built-in storage box to a usual one. In small rooms, you have to make the maximum use of the walls. Instead of a bookcase, use narrow shelves that can be hung on a free wall. They look lighter, more airy, and save space at the same time. Tip 3. Think over the furniture layout. Designers recommend moving furniture away from the walls to visually expand the space. However, it's hard to do if the room is extremely small. But you can get a similar effect even by simply placing a closet or a sofa slightly at an angle to the wall. Don't even try to arrange a sofa and armchairs around a small rug on the floor. Thus, the room will look even smaller than it actually is. If you decided that you needed a carpet, buy a large one and put the furniture directly onto it. Tip 4. Don't overuse accessories. Trinkets, figurines, paintings on the walls are acceptable, but in moderate quantities. Otherwise, you risk overloading the interior. Don't hang posters chaotically. Instead, place them on one wall, so that they make something like a mini exhibition. The same is true for figurines and souvenirs. Instead of placing them on every free horizontal surface, just spare them a separate shelf. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Good luck with your experiments and embrace the changes.